You guys wanted to see what my gaming setup is, so let's get into this.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you never miss one of our uploads.
Commented that they wanted to see my gaming setup, so this is pretty much it. Got my gaming chair, a little bit of red. I like the color red, so it's on it. I sit down here, run it to the internet box. Comes over here, computer, a lot of wear, second monitor. So pretty much, this is pretty much the gaming setup. This is why I look good. Honestly, pictures I get to see. And then also, got my headset, the sound core. I've had these for only a week, and they're pretty good. My last headsets, they broke right here, but they were a sound core, but they were a 2015 model, I think. And then I got my little YouTube play button that I made it a few months ago, yeah, on the 2nd and 27th when I made it. Painted it. Looks pretty good, except for the dirt spot right here. Got a Minecraft mask. Just built it for the heck of it. Well, mostly a Minecraft costume. And I got my mouse red. You can't tell, if you can tell, there's a pretty good theme here. My shirt's even red. And it's really hot in this room. So eventually, as you can see here, oh yeah, they got a Blue Yeti microphone if you can't tell. And soon as, I got a sock over it to help with the noise. As you can see, the little bar in OBS is bouncing up and down. And then, pretty much, this is the internet box I'm telling you about. Here's the antenna you guys can recall hearing me talk about in the live stream. And just got a normal glass of water whenever I make my videos. Ethernet cable. My little window. And my 2 plants I'm growing in here. Strawberries and peppers. I think there's a California Reaper growing in there. Din's hoverboard. This sucker. If you can only see the camera I'm holding, the exact same camera as this one. And then I got my headphones when I'm mowing. 2 plants are supposed to be some kind of strawberry. Empty water cups that I take to the plants. And coin box, these 2 coins. I had a safe I had to dribble out because I lost my mouse and I can't find the key. And then eventually, after I save up enough on the Amazon associate links down below in the description, I'm going to be able to buy a mat, those little blue foamy boards that go up around your room so it's not as echoey. And then after that, if I have enough money over, I'm going to buy a proper mic guard instead of a sock that I use. This is one of my favorite socks. I just have to put it on there because it's pretty good. And then I'm going to get a green screen, put it back here. As soon as people start using the affiliate links down below, I will have links to everything I'm using in my gaming setup. Only thing I'm wondering is where I'm going to get where the affiliate link for the TV is going to be, because that TV is probably 2 or 3 years old. And then that's just a lamp that I don't know where we got it from. Playing pictures, I've had those for several years now, 5. And then here's my little Lego creations. I mess with Legos with my free time. And then also got my little lights. These are new. I just got these recently. And then right here, this is my creation I've had for the past 2 months now. It has no absolute perfect reason. It's just something for me just to flip a lever and just make fun. I just create this in my spare time. Then I flip that lever, pull this back. There we go. You got the little motor, spinning thing, and then activate turbo. So yeah. Mostly, as soon as I figure out how to do the proper redstone, well, not redstone, my gosh, not Minecraft, it's Legos. As soon as you know how to do the proper wiring, I'm gonna make an alarm clock so it makes this noise. About the motor is pretty much a 2014 or 2015. I don't know how long this stuff is old. Well, yeah, that's pretty much my gaming setup. And then I just put my feet up on the safe. It has absolutely nothing in it. I got it for Christmas. Actually, I think it does have something. I think it's that book. The Minecraft Redstone book. I just put it in there. Just for fun. Lost, forgot the code, so I can't get my Redstone book out. But pretty much, this is my gaming setup. And also, with the blue foam boards, green screen. So yeah, this is pretty much gaming setup. And then also, you just got the keep out and stay out the sign. Man, that sucker is old. Yeah, pretty much nothing has changed in 2 years now. Well, actually, a year. This computer is a 2016. It runs good for what I got. got it when it was used. And where's my mouse? I lost my mouse. Oh, it's on the other screen. Yeah, there we go. Got it. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And eventually, yeah, I brought the stuff up. So for an idea of what I'm gonna do, oh, you can see me. Those foam boards right there, they're gonna go up around here. So as soon as I make $100 on that Amazon affiliate link stuff, then I'll be able to get that. And headset, nah, don't really need to change it. As you can tell, computer's black and gray, headphones are black, computer core's black, whatever that is black. Microphone is the white version, as you can see here, the silver version. And red black chair, red play button, red mouse, red shirt, gray pants. So you can pretty much tell I have a theme going on. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that cut in the wall. I'm probably just gonna like put something over it, like fixed, and I don't have to worry about it. Oh. Yeah, so pretty much that is it. And then she got my circuit board, she got my board right here, having all my wires plugged in, so I don't have to climb underneath to plug it in again. Recently we cleaned up, so looks a lot better than what it was. So yeah, right here, the little head costume thing, you can see. Oh yeah, I got a haircut. Nice clean haircut. Now you can see I'm sort of blending in with my chair. Yeah, this is pretty much the whole entire gaming setup. So stay tuned. I have something coming that everyone that watches can join in. And it's really dark right here. Let me try to find a perfect spot. There we go. Yeah, because the lighting in here is just weird. The only reason I'm getting lighted is from that thing right there. So yeah, everyone, I don't really know if I can claim this yet, but everyone that's my fans, I know one person is guaranteed. Actually, 2 people I guaranteed. Definitely Jace. He's definitely one. And now I just gotta spend the hour trying to figure out how to edit this down and get it off the camera. So if you guys enjoyed, nice subscribe, and I'll see you all on the other side.